Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we are going to make bazlama together. Bazlama is kind of like Turkish pita. It's very delicious, very simple, very easy to make. You can serve it in breakfast time, you can serve it with your meals, you can put some stuffings inside and serve it as a sandwich. And like I said, it's super simple to make. So what I'm going to need is 500 grams of flour, and I'm just transferring that into my stand mixer. A little bit of sugar, some active yeast, instant yeast, and some salt. Those are the dry ingredients. And I'm going to give everything a good mix. And open kind of like a well in the middle. And I'm putting 350 milliliters of warm water inside. You can make it with milk also, you can make it half and half with milk and water. But I find out that with only water it works best. And now I'm going to mix everything, I'm going to form a dough, and after the dough has been formed, I'm going to let my stand mixer knead it, work on it for about 5-6 minutes, and then we're going to let it rise. And the dough is ready, and I just want to show you how soft it is. So it doesn't stick to my hands, but it's very soft, it's very easy to shape, and we want it exactly like this. If you see this dough, it means that your water measurement is right. So always look for this consistency when making bazlama. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave it to rise a little bit and rest a little bit. But before I do that, I'm putting a little olive oil. Oops, my olive oil is out, but this will work. And just a little bit of olive oil is enough. And I'm spreading it with my hands so that while it's rising, it doesn't crack. It remains soft, nice and soft like this. And I'm going to leave this to rest for about 40 minutes. And then after that, it will be time to shape them and it will be time to cook them. And I'm just putting a clean kitchen towel on top. And I'm going to transfer this to my oven, which is not working. But what I do is I put a little bit of boiling water on the bottom of the oven so that it gives a little bit of humid, warm environment. And after 40 minutes, it will be ready. The dough has been resting for about 45 minutes and it looks super soft. And it has risen twice its size. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to flour my surface, my cutting board. I'm going to transfer the dough on here. And just look at that. Look how soft it is. And I'm going to give the dough a cylinder shape. And I'm going to cut this in smaller pieces. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 pieces in front of me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one, give it a circular shape, lightly flour it again, and with my rolling pin, I'm going to open this up, not too thin, about a pencil thickness would be great. Just, you need to flour it a little bit. So this is great. This size is perfect. And I'm going to do the same for the rest of the pieces. As you can see, I've lined up all my bazlamas right in front of me. And as you can see, they're not too thin or too thick. So this is the thickness that we definitely want. And here I've got my skillet and I've been heating it up with no oil, no olive oil. And now to the hot pan, I'm going to put one of these, cook one side, Flip it over, cook the other side, and then they'll be ready. And the Turkish pizzas are ready. It takes about 5 minutes to cook each one of them. And once you see it's cooked in the outside, it means that it's ready. And now I want to show you the inside. It's super soft, I can feel it. Like I said, you can use this as a sleeve and put some, if you have leftover chicken or cheese, you can fill it up with cheese and you can serve it as a sandwich. You can take it as a whole and dip it into eggs. And now let's give it a taste. Seriously, there is nothing like homemade bread. It tastes so good because it's warm, it's so soft. Please do try this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to share your comments down below. I share a lot of easy, breezy, delicious Mediterranean recipes on my channel, so please do subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye!